Alright, this last time. Finally. We done made it. I don't know how, yeah, I think y'all can tell how good it is now. Look at that. Boy. Big difference. Got all of that. You can't really tell on this one because it's still wet, but once it dry up, I'll probably do another one just to show you. But yep, I am complete. First time washing my deck off. I like the outcome. Gonna hit these bricks again. But overall, I am satisfied. Still probably get up under the tops, but ain't no big deal. I get to it when I get to it, but the rest is good. So tell me what y'all think. Think y'all like these kind of videos? So I wanted to do me one. This is your boy, I am Juice 78, and we gone.